Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making a tomato curry, which is a very typical Hyderabadi style tomato curry. It's called Tomatos Ka Cut. This is a vegan friendly recipe. Okay, to begin with, I'm going to cook these tomatoes, chopped tomatoes in the pressure cooker. Some water, salt, some curry leaves and some cumin powder. We'll cook this for about 2 to 3 whistles till the tomatoes are completely cooked. So the tomatoes were cooked in the pressure cooker for about 3 whistles. Then I cooled it down and I blended it using a hand blender, and this is what I get. It's a nice thick consistency. You can add water later because this curry goes with biryani and with rice. So you want it a little more liquidish. And now we'll do the tempering. I'll heat up some cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil. As it's getting heated up, I'll add some mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, some dry red chilies, curry leaves, asafoetida, seeds are spluttering, and I can add this tomato puree now. Now this is quite thick, so we need to add some water, but before that I'll add our roasted gram flour besan, and also I'll add my roasted sesame seed powder, chili powder, coriander powder. Now I'll add some water, a little more salt. We simmer this for about 10 minutes till all the flavors of the spices seep in. So our tomato curry is ready. Now I like to keep the consistency like this, a little not too thick. So we'll plate this now. You can garnish it with some curry leaves here. I've fried some green chilies. This is optional. Just a little sprinkle of chaat masala on it. So our vegan friendly Hyderabadi tomato curry is ready. Do try this recipe and leave a comment below. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. I'll be back with many more interesting vegan and vegetarian recipes. See you soon.